And it really help it. I tell you. It really help it. And no 1 week it me I use it. And it done. So me I go add a 2 buckle for now and cash up all the money. Cause I remember we can't take too much set make people tired of we. And the things them. Me know she will give me for free but more to buy. Okay, I cute up that. Though. But one of them done. I'm more continue to use it because I saw stretch mark on my belly too. And I saw stretch mark up here so guys because I did really mag and I put on whole heap of weight so I stretch out. And I did bigger fatter weight 250 and I stress over our boy and I good on a 168 pound. Big cocky baby I want every day you come over here Tikki. I want a blood clot want I want And this I wanna know she say day and night moisturizer hydrating something nourishing anti-aging. I wonder where the chemical come from. I wonder if I hate to find where I get them from Africa. And only Africa alone, me know some people name them picking them a long name, yeah. I mean, no, because bad word come and say me I go to church. I God now go see with me and forgive me, guys. Me no understand them. All the thing me see pan me understand is brightening. And he said this good for your face. Like, it help brighten your skin, but me can't use it because I use the bleaching cream. But otherwise, me use this and the soap every day. Yeah. It's anti-aging. What the name of the... What the name of what? What the name of what? My good pussy. Toko Loco, come here the baby. Toko. Oh, aging. 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 Cute. So, it's named aging. I just, you know, sometimes when I don't, man, it's just that we are like a teacher. Anti-aging. Sometimes we just want like a teaching, man. It's something hard to learn. Me don't hard to learn. Me just want like a teaching. You know, sometimes we walk a fuck for early car. You know, for my childhood days going up, me now have school for my mind. My mama said, a long time I love man, you know, guys, I know today, Apple what I know today a long time you have mine for my mind. Long time. For me little teeny winnie and I grow. Me I take cocky out a do. Me never know a man sweet so a long time. My mama used to send me go to school. Me I would in a grade 8. I would my mama send me go to school in a grade 8. Me left go my man yard. And me and my man lie down a yam hill a fuck all day. Use my mama lunch money buy ganja. Rum, cigarette, drink or fuck or smoke all day. You know me go to the school gate I buy all festival or chicken back, all 4 big pieces of chicken back with the money. 8 festival now blood clot for the 2 weeks. And we lie down at the yam hill in the yam ground 1 whole day. I buy half glass of Kulu rum and cigarette or ganja. And you know when you burn the ital weed and a blood clot your honey like raw soul. Honey like I mean I tell you about a grade 8. Me was a terrible jankro. You know when you're under the ital then a blood clot, you just want to fuck like rabbit. You just a fuck so. You just a fuck so. No, what you eating there that tell me for? Lunchtime me. Lunchtime me. Just lunchtime me I done. I don't lie me I tell. A long time me I fuck. It's just that me never talk when me have so much me start sex because me shame for talk. But me I fuck for early. I mean a grade 6 me I do serious road. I mean every time I'm in a back for cocky. Sure, I will me a thief out my sister money can go give man. When my sister called me, I say, remember when I used to thief out the money? Somebody said grade 6 too late. Suppose me detail say for me at 6. Grade 6 too late. When me in a grade 6, me I feel me man I walk a fuck everywhere in the community, every unfinished house, every blood clot yam farm, every old building, anywhere we catch a fuck. Anyway, I when we come for a ball field, we just stop a fuck. Yes, big pussy.
Junk.
Yeah, bust it.
Yeah, title.
Yeah, clean up your road. Class me, tell me how much cocky me the America, so bring me down. Work now?
Remember your old title than mine?
No, I never saw God did tell we God say for me pussy on for wrong side, but anyway, me dey for America, me done me call you back.
Alright, baby.
See me show you there. Alright.
Yeah?
See me show you there, me so call you back.
Yeah.
Alright. Aya drive.
Yeah.
You come a foreigner drive where you need. You kill that he.
No, Mama, come back down. I want with my spend.
Jesus.
They back at Jamaica.
And a 2 weeks ago you go to China. So come here where you go to China pan. Plane you take go up at Hong Kong.
How much plane me take go?
Me so talk to you.
I'm 15 hours from America.
And me so talk to you. Yeah, one I say guys. Me used to do so serious fuck. When all my mother send me go in all my man name, anytime the boy want money no blood clot out there, my sister say me not send back our money go give him. All time money them when me take. So me go in her room guys and me see my sister run partner with the book. My sister have a partner book like this. Like he have Miss Palm right here so, Miss Palm money right here so, Mass Sam money round there so me take out 2,000 out of Miss Palm, 1,000 out of Mass Sam, 500 out of the other somebody. Me just a take it when blood clot so I give the boy. Me just a take it to I give the boy no blood clot and the boy just a fuck me and beat me and do me the things them so I run with a blood clot foreign left me. Me just a take it to so guys I'm used to do so serious because when me a fuck all a chicken cube and me a fuck all a bush, I pay a bush shop me used to do. Since recently me say I'm bad me a big me not do no bush shop. I think me a fi rent car or go a guest house or hi you go buy one of your friend them car and me go a guest house go fuck. I'm not telling lie no guys hide and seek fuck sweet you know. Hide and seek fuck sweet they look a long time look fuck the way you have to hide. When you have teeth a little piece and a little chicken cube. Sure. And memories me left give boy.